Yn i gyd mewn?
Ni gyd mewn? Na, ti ddim mewn.
Shwmai.
Symud hwn nôl, na, gallu symud hwn nôl.
Shwmai pawb.
Ti'n gweld?
Mae'n wych.
Ni gyd mewn?
Cychwyn to o'r
O na,
cychwyn.
ni gallu... O, fi'n gwybod beth ni'n gallu. Na, ti symud fan hyn am munud.
Beth? Oh, yeah.
Ni'n rhoi hwnna
Ie,
llawn
hwnna'n
na.
wych.
So wedyn, ti symud draw.
Fideo o Ben Morgan.
Oh, baby.
Oh, baby.
Oh, sorry.
Your subscriptions have just gone up.
Fwn ti o?
Careful.
Oh, good. Ddim fod yn good on.
Na, mae ddim yn ffôn ofnadwy.
Right.
20 pint.
Waw.
Fy ffôn.
Okay. So heddiw ni'n mynd i fod yn chwarae game o'r enw A Way Out. Stori'r game yw bod doi dyn yn cwrdd yn y carchar, maen nhw'n stuck yn y carchar, a chi angen gweithio gyda'ch gilydd, a mae fe'n game co-op, so mae rhaid i doi chwaraewr chwarae, gyda cyd chwarae, a gweithio ffordd mas. So, yeah, bach fel Prison Break, ond mewn game.
So be mae'r dau di ma wedi wneud?
Gawn ni weld! Gawn ni weld!
Dirgelwch.
Dirgelwch.
Okay.
Wow, Trwyn.
So, fi a Thomas yn dechrau da. So ti gwasgu... Ydy hwnna'n tîn i fi?
Game a fideo, chwarae'r dau fi.
Oce, hwnna ti.
Ti'n gallu dilyn y gwefr.
Oce.
Mae'n
Mae ti meddu gwir?
edrych fel the phones.
Mae yn dydi.
O, yn ffili
Nath i darllen nhw'n still.
O'n i just...
I don't know. Haven't really thought about that.
Whoa,
Haven't
Kevin
thought about it? That must be his first reason.
O, mae'n iawn, maen nhw'n siarad Saesneg yn deall Saesneg.
O, ie, dwi'n bod ar Duolingo.
Smart, Leo. Are you implying that I'm not smart? Your words, not mine. Hey,
Mae fi'n atgoffa fi'n dod yn Sam Tan.
but I do
O,
get
Elvis!
Elvis!
argue with that.
Wastad yn canu. Na fel Elvis.
O, nawr ti'n gallu newid.
Oce,
O, pawb eisiau bod yn Elvis.
na fi ddim, actually. Gwell ti fi fod yn Vincent.
Hwyd o'n mynd.
Achos mae fe'n fwy...
Leo Caruso.
Caruso.
Vincent Moretti.
Wow.
Confident, short-tempered joker.
Dyna ti. So, yeah.
Murder. Mae Vincent mewn am murder.
Fi'n y mwyd.
Moida.
Oes bach.
Llofryddiaeth. Ww. Ti'n cofio unwaith nes i ceisio dweud y gair llofnodi nes i dweud llofryddo.
Ei, camgymeriad
Rhaid i ti llofryddo.
Be? Gyd i wneud i... Allir i llofnodi fan hyn.
Hei, cofio, mae unrhyw beth sy'n cael ei recordio heddiw yn gallu cael ei ddefnyddio
O, na,
erbyn chi
tystiolaeth.
i sbarn, felly ofalus.
Wel na pam mae rhaid i ddeall sut math o fywyd o hwnna yn carchar.
Chi gallu uniaethu.
Yn practice.
Dyna ni.
Ti erioed di hitchhiker?
Na, beth.
Na.
Ti wedi?
Codi off yna.
O, Claes Engdahl. Mae'n sôn rhyw fath o Gymro. O'r oes oedd yr efi.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, falle. Okay.
Beauty.
Claes yn ara.
Gai.
Ie, Claes.
Brawd i fe.
Swn i'n Claes on.
Siwmai, Claes on.
Close the gates.
Norwyr.
O, Mods Ogna,
Yw Kevin Spacey wedi?
Na.
Na, yr actor.
Na.
Sgol ar y fi.
Wel, nid, like, mewn carchar. Fi ddim yn neud job.
Fe ddim.
Gara fe. Mae hyn fel The Longest Yard.
Yeah. Ti ddim yn chwarae pêl-droed, ddo.
O, be?
Na. So wneud...
No,
Fi'n ceisio dod mewn.
Mr Domino's?
Ie, fi'n credu
Chocolate
Domino's
Sunday,
yw hwnna.
boys.
Na, ddim.
O, ie, cool.
Okay. Pasio fe i
Stephen.
Stephen.
Yeah!
Okay, Stephen, so ti yw...
Fiw Elvis.
Yeah.
Oh. Sut dwi'n neud snake hips?
So mae'n dweud wrth ti ar y...
Sut dwi'n dechrau ffait?
Mae lot o cyfarwyddiadau.
Sgwar. Sgwar.
Just rhoi... Na lawr, achos dim pwynt cael. Dwi'n mynd i... Oedd hwnna'n ti?
Right.
Na.
Na, o'n i'n mynd i fewn.
Steve.
Siwmai.
Meet me.
Meaty.
Meet your, yeah. Steve.
Dyna fe llysa nhw, os dwi'n mynd i'r cael.
Dyma ti,
O,
Stephen.
na.
A dwi'n iawn i fynd
Diolch yn fawr.
Ie. Ni'n neud y fideo.
Ti'n meddwl dydyn ni stopio? Na, just gael ymlaen. Oce.
Gwylio fi bwyta!
Wel, ti'n ma.
Ie, gallwn ni.
Mae'n dim yn just yn chwarae nawr, mae'n anfwyta. Anfwyginio.
Yn bwyta.
Ma'n nhw'n gwybod,
Ie, nawn nhw'n gwybod am y staff. Ie,
Pwy yw'r hipster yma?
pawb yn gwybod popeth.
Ie.
So ti'n gwybod os chi'n gadael mes yma, a mae staff yn dweud rhywbeth, mae gyda nhw tystiolaeth.
O ie, mae.
Sleep, eat, fight.
O, ni'n bwyta nawr.
Oh man, I can't get used to that. I can't even fight. You better learn fast. Oh boy, I'm a dead end.
Dwi'n mynd i ysgol awr am 5 munud.
Oh, good.
Ail
Okay.
munud.
Ie.
Os oedd hi'n arfer mynd i'r carchar? God. Wii, beth yw'r botwm yma? Wow.
O, na, nhw'n mynd i...
O, noethyneb.
Mynd i gweld os cael drugs lan
Cael
rhyw.
contraband.
Ie, dyna... Ie. Ie, fi'n falch bod na sgrin. Fyndig.
Mae Trwyn
Stephen,
fel
really?
gwmpawd.
Pam fi po...
Trwyn fel cwmpawd. Dwi'n dilyn yna. Ble o ti? Ooh,
O, yn blast o fi.
elephant off screen.
Oh, come on, Steve.
What?
Hey, what's up with you? Having the best
Seriously,
day of
Nathan.
my life, man.
Nes i dweud elephant off screen?
Best day ever.
Oh, right, y dŵr, sorry. O'n i ddim siŵr beth oedd y cyfeirio. Ys ti'n cyfeirio allan yna.
Really? Mine too. So you got beat up and
Mae
robbed
bod
as
hwnna'n
well?
brifo.
Yeah.
Ti'n gallu neud rhywbeth?
For breakfast.
Na, ti ond gallu siarad i dweud. Ti wedi gorffen to.
Who do you take me for?
Right, mae rhaid rhoi 18 plus.
Mae rhaid dweud, fi'n hoffi'r ffaith bod doi peth yn digwydd ar wahân. Mae hwnna'n effaith... Fi ddim wedi gweld hwn mewn game o'r blaen.
Na,
Tiod?
fi.
Unai bod chi'n rannu'r un sgrin, ond mae hwn yn eitha...
O. Edrych am drysor. Lan fy'n rhywun. O.
Cri mae rhaid ti'n neud rhywbeth.
You're clear. Oedd mae'n clear. Gweld mae'n clear.
Steve, fi'n... Oce, na. Oh!
Dwi'n gallu eistedd.
No.
Dwi'n gallu eistedd. Dwedd hym.
Na.
Ble ti'n mynd nawr? Mae'n i steam room.
Rhaid ni.
Well, time to hit the old dusty trail. Ti'n sefyll fel na, ti'n mynd.
O, na, mae...
Oce.
Wop.
So beth yw eich hoff ffilms am carchar? Obviously Shawshank Redemption, bod
And
rhywun
this is
gorau.
my prison. Any questions?
Yeah. When are we allowed visitors in
O,
here?
ti wedi dweud the longest yard. Beth yr Adam Sandler neu'r greiddiol?
Yeah, Burt Reynolds.
Burt Reynolds, oce.
Mae fewn y ddau.
Actually, fi'n credu, ie, mae fe'n rai, ie.
Any other questions?
Mean Machine.
Good.
Oce.
Welcome to your
Hwna am pêl-droed hefyd, ie, ie. Just version Saesneg gangster.
Dwi'n meddwl ti'n cofio, actually.
O, na. Da hyn
Oh,
fydd yn
na.
favourite film fi, ond mae'n really bad. Efo prison, 50,
Oz.
Dwi'n mynd i farw!
Mae'n ble mae fel y prisoners yn cael... Yn racer mewn fel... Mewn ceir efo guns arno fe. A person sy'n enll racer.
Death race.
Ie, rhywbeth fel na. Mae'n cael ei gadael.
Ti just yn neud yn ei
Ie. Beth yw hwnna?
Just to creu'r teitl yma.
Ie. Okay.
Zoop.
Not your floor.
Sbio'r cysgod ar ei berol. Waith.
So,
Ooh. Jump.
Go, get yourself.
Wyt ti'n mewn un ffres?
yeah, wel,
Yr un carchar,
ie, yr un...
Lle pa carchar o'n?
Chi'n mynd i bod yn yr un...
Cadydd?
Y sel drws nesaf fi'n credu.
Drws nesaf fi.
Close up 49.
O just fel
Na,
bod
fi-
ar y
fi yn
bws yn
gwisgo
Casnewydd.
O, dyna fe.
Dyna fe. Yn myfyriad.
The hell's that?
So fi'n gallu siarad gyda...
Edrych fel Charles Manson.
Do you wanna...
Oh yeah? You don't look free to me, man. I'm free, man. You don't get it until you try it. You want me to show you how?
Okay.
Nah,
Ti ba?
not my thing.
O ie, ewch i'r rhywbeth.
Good luck with your freedom.
Na.
Peace, man.
Peace, man. O. Boy one.
Hey, Leo.
So,
Looks like you got yourself a new name.
O, na i siarad i ti nawr te.
I couldn't care less.
Sure. Just keep your eyes open.
Later.
See you later.
O.
Ti eisiau siarad i fi then?
O, wait. Ah, cutscene!
Hey, relax. I said do it.
Hey!
Oh, Vinny!
Joey!
Hey, I'm incarcerated here!
Babidi boopy! Ti wedi gweld yna family guy? Babidi boopy!
Bwyta pizza, drink babidi boobidi.
Ie.
Hilio.
Ydi angen hilio?
That's no idea.
Dwi ddim yn hilio. Bod na...
Bella lasagna, no, mae hynny'n hilio.
Ydi.
Na.
Na, mae hi jyst yn cymeriad o Sam Tan.
Leo. What? Someone wants to talk to
Fi'n
you.
credu mae'n tro rhywun arall i gael go nawr.
I don't know, man.
So fi'n gallu bwyta pizza fi.
Hey!
Boys, ie, eisiau go!
But you stop up with your pizza.
Please.
Mynd i ffad o'r... Blow ti. Ble mae'r Nazis? Ond o wastad grŵp o Nazis.
Ie, fel arfer.
O, ti'n Nazi. O, ti. Ti e? O na, mae'n
What?
rhyw fath o mater hyn.
What are you guys looking at? See that guard over there? I hate him. Put me in the hole for 3 weeks. No, man. You can't do that. They'll just throw you back in and it'll be for good this time.
Parhewch i
I
neud
don't
hyn.
care. I'm still killing.
Na, digon, deg yn digon.
What stopped you?
Oh, yeah? What's keeping you then?
I just need to find the right moment.
Bullshit. You ain't gonna do nothing.
Oh yeah? How do you know?
How I know? What about this?
Ooh, what's called
That's how I know.
Tornado glow.
Any more questions? Just leave me alone, man.
Yeah, please.
Wedyn ni. Newid.
Leave me alone, man.
Newid, ie.
Hey, man, leave me alone, man.
Fi'n mynd am deg achos mae pawb, os ti'n neud rhywbeth, ti angen neud deg.
Please, man.
So fi'n credu mae
I'm
rhywbeth...
here for embezzlement.
Ti angen mynd i siarad o'i gyd?
Ie, fi'n credu.
Na, ti'n eisiau.
Credu mae pethau gyda opsiynau gyda Steve yn
Dyna ti,
weithiau
ie.
yn gallu bod yn gwaith anodd. Na ni ddim
What do you want,
trafod.
fish?
Batman. Oh!
What's going on here?
Zoom.
What's going on here?
Zoom.
It's none of your business. Now get out of here. Tough guy, huh?
Is he, what?
You
How do
looking
you
for
drive
trouble?
level?
No. But I'll let you know when I am.
A ti'n gallu mynd lan fan hyn? Please.
No, dwi'n mynd i mwynhau'r perfform...
50 gwylio.
Dwi'n mwynhau'r perfformiad.
Dwi ddim yn actio.
Oh! Mae'n cael y Heimlich. Mae'n...
Le i ti?
Press a triangle.
Oh, what's going on here?
He's a chiropractor.
Oh, yeah.
He's gonna fix my neck.
Nah.
Ti'n lan y top?
What?
Fixes people up. Snatch things
Diolch yn
back
arall,
into place,
nice.
you know?
O? Beth mae fe ni? Ti
What do you
ddim
mean
lan
he
fan
snaps things back in place?
Ah.
I mean, you make sure that all the bones in your body are lined up just the right way.
And it works?
Yeah. You should try it.
No thanks. My bones are lined up just the way they're supposed to be.
All right then.
What's all the fucking questions? You don't need it. You need a change of attitude.
Ti eisiau chwana pêl fasged.
Fi'n dod i helpu.
It's time to
Dyna'n
play.
unig ffordd i. Hey! Beth fi'n neud i Elvis?
It's not about what I want. It's about what Harvey wants.
That piece of shit better be happy he's on the outside.
He might be on the outside, but he still pays me good, huh?
Ti'n gwybod pwy mae fe'n edrych
He
fel?
pays me really
A guy in Street Fighter.
and I don't really like it.
Ti'n gwybod yr un fel Rwsieg? Ie. Ti'n yr un sy'n gyda carau mawr?
Zagrif.
Zagrif, dyna ni.
Da.
Gymryd siwgr.
Da.
Oh yeah, please.
Get in there, you fish!
Hey, what the hell? What are you doing? Go, Dragon, kill him!
Oh yeah, fight.
Yeah, na i cymryd e.
Idiot. Come on, motherfucker!
Beth? Sgwar. O! Sia. Ti'n bach sy'n pethau hefyd. Sgwar. Tapio. Nice. Triangle.
Dwi eisiau marw.
Na, paid.
Dwi eisiau marw. Hey.
Wel, bali.
Hwn yn camp.
Ti'n gadw eiliad o laf.
Oh, I'm the prison guard.
Pa mae nhw ar y llawr?
Nothing bwrw nhw.
Oh, ie, oce. Oh, sorry.
Sorry,
O'n i'n meddwl just
Dwi wedi cael head
angif.
trauma.
O'n i'n canolbwyntio gymaint ar y
Zangi.
bottom, beth ti'n gwybod, o'n ddim yn cymryd i mewn.
Wel, dwi'n credu dwi'n barod am ffeit go iawn nawr.
Better watch it.
Triangle! Triangle!
Back B, Mortal
Stay
Kombat.
the hell away with it.
Get over here.
Os ti'n torri o'r droed, mae'n marw.
Oh, ie.
Ie.
Dim ond Trwyn i we. Ond mae fe gyda Trwyn i pen mawr. Hefyd.
Troen o ddyn.
Trwyn o ddi.
Da, ni penod.
Pryd amser i ni swapio nawr.
Siabold!
Come on.
Orffen y pizza.
Just, beth sy'n angen yw fo... Dyma ti.
Ww, diolch.
O,
Dyma
ie.
ti.
Sorry.
Ti'n mynd i roi e fel hyn.
Here you go. Come on, I don't got up there.
Ww, boi.
Ie, bwyd syniad da.
Next.
Eich fel Indiaid cochio yna.
Hei, hei,
Hei, Pocahontas yn yw'r ffyr.
Haila bara, haila bara.
Haila bore.
Ie, cofio'r llyfr na? Haila bara. Am Indiaidd.
Na.
Indiaid.
Na, sorry.
Beth
Oedd yn good.
yn mlwyddyn 9 yn ysgol gyfyn gwyllion.
Oh,
Ni'n
right.
darllen llyfr am Indiaid cochion
Yeah,
o'r enw i bleraeth hael y bore.
right.
Am cowboys ac yn giants. Wow, dwi'n mwmog.
Beth ti'n gwneud?
Siamwn!
Na,
How
pan
about you
gael...
two lovebirds have a chat somewhere else? I want to eat.
Hey, is someone talking?
No? I don't hear anyone.
Hear anyone.
Me neither.
Oh, paid.
Llwgi.
Eat.
Show force!
Help them here,
Help
shoot.
them here.
Of course.
O na, clywed llai
Mwy am
nawr.
merchetau, ydw e?
Go ahead. Shit.
Ti'n gallu bwyd?
Go on, ti'n gallu mynd nawr? Ti'n gallu...
Ah,
Ti'n cael bwyd o beth ti angen ei?
dwi'n strwt. Dwi'n strwt.
Oce, fi ddim eisiau bwyd na.
Fel ceiliog.
A fi'n siarad gyda dynion drwg.
Who do you think this is? The goddamn
Fi gallu gweld e. Beth yw ti'n ei, boi?
Shiv. Mae'n cael shiv. Nid shiv. Dwi am fyw.
Oce, dam yn i edo. Tap, tap, tap.
Dwi wedi blin o'r un cynta.
Ww. Pen sgwar nawr.
It's lunchtime, boys. O na. O, fath yn ysyn.
Wastad cyllell. Hei? Bwyd o fe? Oh gosh. Nôl. You're great to just angen mynd nôl. Na.
Beth sy'n mynd ymlaen?
We're nhw'n trio bwyd y bwyd, ond roedd Big Show yn...
Big Show?
Ready for the big show.
Oh, no.
Well,
Soi fawr ddrwg heno.
dunk.
Now I got your corner.
Now I got your corner, man.
Oh, no.
Hey, grab him! Come here! Yeah, come on! Come on, what do you want? Who wants to die first? You? Yeah, come on! Die! Come on, first!
Oh, no.
Take this!
Oh, dear.
First choice.
Oh.
Fi'n gwybod. Draw I ti.
Diolch.
Well, amser pizza. Hwyl fawr. Oh.
Come on.
Mae'n efo nyrs.
Oh. Ti'n offi na?
Yn ni'n mynd tiw.
Ffaen y glwch.
Mi'n neud ti'r ochr hefyd achos trwy bach.
Reit, Owain, beth sy'n ymlaen?
Ni jyst wedi cael ei beetle lan mewn y cegin.
Yeah, thanks.
Llyfrau? Neu llythyr?
Hey. I'm Leo.
So ti sydd draw. Pwy di pwy nawr?
Sa'n siŵr.
Thanks.
Fi oedd Elvis.
Don't mention it.
Iawn.
So, not at the top.
Tiw Vincent Thomas.
Reit.
No.
What's your beef with that guy anyway? Let's just say it's a long story. But don't worry about him. He's out of the picture.
So,
Could you do me a
picture.
favor? Like what?
Mae'n mas o picture nawr.
Owain.
Simple. I just need you to watch my back while I get it, that's all.
Ooh.
Sorry, not interested. You know what? Fuck it. I'll do it myself. Wait. What? You can't just walk out of here. Of course I can. We're gonna both end up in the hole. Well, I don't have a choice. All right. I'll help you. Just don't get caught. Okay. Keep your eyes shut.
Okay.
So rwy angen helpu ti cael y screwdriver ta.
Ie, digon teg.
Ti'n fe.
Felly... Wel, eitha cyfforddus.
Right. Amser gwely.
Reit so ydw i'n mynd draw... So ble ma fe? Ww, bach o papur toilet fan hyn. Ydy'r troli'n gweithio? Na.
Mae drws draw fyna.
Draw fan hyn?
Na, ti ôl ti.
Fan hyn?
Na. Lawr fyna.
Lawr fan hyn?
Edrych ar sgrin fi, ble ti yn?
O, reit, o, ie. Fi gallu gweld o. Ah!
My god, right man.
Fan hyn?
Na, dim fyna. Ochr arall.
Ochr arall y
Lawr
cyr...
fyna.
Ie, lle ni. Lawr fan hyn.
Defnyddio'r joystick ar
Bron.
de
Ie, mae'n haws.
i gweld ble i ti.
Ie, gallu gweld o.
Nurse.
Dyna fo.
Dyna ni.
Hurry! We have an inmate on the run.
Mae un o'ch chi angen galw'r nyrs ar un
Ie. Rwy'n... Ie.
Strategaeth nawr, yna. So, ni'n gwybod nawr?
Ie.
Bydd y dau yma chi'n marw yn eich help.
Okay. I'll distract her. Just watch out for her.
Hold on.
So ti'n mynd i galw efe?
Pwy ti'n mynd?
Ah, ie!
Aha.
Dwi ond ar.
Dwi'n deall nawr.
Dyna hi dod.
Blaen na.
Ti'n gallu pwna ni.
Na.
Yn hi fel fi'n gallu gweld bod e fi mewn y gweld.
What can I do for you?
I got a sword throat. Can I have it?
Oh, un arall! Fuck.
O na.
Oh.
Be.
What can I do for you?
I got a sword throat.
Ti'n gofio ble oedd e?
Can I have some water, please?
Ie, mae'n drwy hwnna.
Thanks.
So rhaid i fi mynd.
Mae wedi mynd ar rhywle.
Okay.
So siwr ble... O, mae wedi mynd mewn i'r ystafell hwnna.
Right. Allai mynd.
Here you go.
I hope I'm not bothering you.
Of course not. It's my job.
Round the corner fan hyn, efe?
Ie.
Shit, Vincent needs to do something about that guard.
Okay. Knock.
Rhaid ti yn mynd sneak o tu ôl i fe.
Falle os ti'n knock ar y ffenest.
Ei, dyna ti.
So fe rown fan hyn. Ydw i'n gallu taflu rhywbeth at y fe neu...
Mae'n ar y desk. Grab o'r screwdriver o'r desk.
Mynd.
Gofyn cynnyr guard yn dod nhw.
Oh.
Sorry.
Coffee.
Coffee. Pop and cut it off.
Anything else?
I'm really hungry. Could you get me some more food, please?
You were just served.
So just cyddio dan fan hyn, efe?
Na, ti'n sneak yn ôl i'r
That boy
gwely,
working
cadw...
for me a hummingbird. I thought that was a snack.
Sorry, that's all you
Yn ôl
get.
i'r gwely, gyflym.
Cyn hi'n troi
Owain,
rownd.
ti angen siarad gyda.
Siarad, ie.
O, hi wedi troi rownd.
Pai ffaini.
Wyt dod mewn pryd hi'n... A mewn y sink.
Ah, fi'n gweld nawr. So...
Mynd mewn i gwely fanna. Nice.
Awen lawen. O'r dywe. Mae'n eitha diddorol, yn dweud? So bach o strategaeth. Mae'n gwaith tîm yn bwysig.
Llongyfarchiad a ti wedi...
O, mae'n ffail.
Ie.
Ah!
Hey, what are you up to?
Nothing.
Let's move.
Yeah, sure.
Ie, dim byd.
Hey!
Dim byd. Ie, yn sucker.
Hey, I'll use you.
Mi'n prosiect technoleg o bodeth.
So, what's your plan? Excuse me? I know what you're up to.
I don't know what you're talking about.
Come on now.
Beth yw ein cynllun? Ni jyst yn mynd i ddianc.
Ie. Rwy'n meddwl. Trio.
Look, I appreciate what you did back there, but you need to back off.
Hey,
What?
I'm sure you have good reasons to bust out of here, but I need to get out of here too.
Yeah? Not my problem.
Just offering my help here.
Hey, you know what? I don't need your help. I can handle myself.
Yeah? Like you did in the infirmary back there?
You trying to be funny?
No, I'm not. Listen, I'm pretty much in on this. Just trying to make you understand that you could really use my help.
Like I said, I can handle myself.
What about Harvey then?
The fuck do you know about Harvey? Who you been talking to?
The walls are thin in here.
Am I supposed to believe that?
Let's just say that you and me have something in common. We both want him dead.
You don't know shit about me, man? Maybe not. But Harvey killed someone very close to me. With or without you, I'm going after him. But I'm pretty damn sure our chances would be a lot better if we worked together, and you know that.
Kiss sus. Ar ôl mis.
So be ni'n neud nawr?
Oes na monkey yn y gêm?
Gobeithio. Ble mae'r monkey?
Mori o monkey o.
Atgoffa fi o sort of stuff na sy'n chwilio o gwmpas o Stranger Things.
Oops.
A maen nhw yn y Benny Weired.
Yeah.
Heffer.
It's my part.
Heffer mwy cryfedd.
You decide what goes down. You got that? Sure. Whatever you say. I mean it, man. You fuck this up, I'll kill you myself. Yeah, I get it. So what's your plan?
Fi'n credu fod fi mwy debygol o wneud hynny.
Stranger.
Ffordd mas.
Oh, titles! Well, dyna diwedd y game, boys.
Ww, rhaid hwnna.
Sting. Oh, okay.
Sorry, Steve.
Pwy Stephen?
Ellie, you didn't really have an escape plan, did you? What are you talking about? Of course I did. You had an idea, I'll give you that. I got you out, didn't I? What do you mean you got me out? We got out together. Yeah, sure. But if it wasn't for me, you'd still be in there. Don't forget I saved your ass. Twice. I don't know about that saving my ass part, but I'll give you this. It did help out. A little bit. Vincent, a little bit. Right.
Be mae'n peilad yn neud?
Hedfan?
Yeah. It's my payloads fel arfer yn neud.
Oedd e jyst na fel,
Mae'n talu sylw.
Okay, dwi'n methu cael ei... ti'n methu tynnu sylw pilot.
Ie.
Gwasgu'r stewardess button. Ding, ding, ding. Oh, flag!
O, glywes ti am y person na?
Pwy?
Wedi cael ei signo allan o'r awyren.
Be?
Yeah.
What? Yeah.
Ble? Mae hi marw.
Wait, beth?
Yeah. Wel, roedd hanner o hi'n cael ei signal allan. Ond nhw'n tynnu hi nôl mewn.
Ond oedd hi ddim yn iawn.
Yn America, efe?
Yeah.
Efe? Na, beth yw? Delta Flight falle? Delta
Gosh. Ydy Delta dal rhan?
You know I'm up for it.
Ie, mae enw rhwng dyn nhw, oes.
Just get me up there.
Oedd yr rhaid nath bwrw docon a tapu fe off y plane.
United.
United. Nid y hewydd.
Na.
Oh, no.
Dwi'n ddim.
Na.
Horrible.
Ydy.
Yeah.
What do you want?
Got a couple of workers here. Need to change the scenery.
Sorry. We're full.
United, well, free concussion every
Something,
week.
right?
Whole flight.
Guess we could use a few extra hands around here.
Oh, Knox. Oh, wait, for Huff.
Hurry up. Come have our page.
Orange.
Sleepy.
See up there? Yeah. We need to get up there somehow. Alright.
If I go only fi. Sy'n...
Ydw fi.
Swab.
Excuse me.
Torri fe.
It's my first day doing this. How long have you been working up here?
Way too long.
Yeah. Dal yn marw.
Okay.
Yeah.
Guard!
Pretty
My
much.
move is busted. It's gonna take forever.
Don't just stand there, get a new one.
Okay.
Hey, man. It looks like you missed the spot.
Yeah. Seems like I... Thank you.
You're welcome.
Listen
I haven't seen you.
With nothing, Nate.
Get.
Yeah, it's my first time. I'm not sure if I'm liking it, but I've done worse.
Are you kidding?
Ti angen siarad, ond ti actually angen gwynebu, so defnyddio'r stick arall.
Hey, my broom's broken. I'm not sure I want to get used to that.
Just stay here.
Dwi jyst angen siarad un o gyd. O.
So mae'n rhoi ti bach o cliw fa. Ti angen gofyn i'r boi arall.
Ble now?
So mynd, na.
Ble ma fe?
Na, mynd draw fyna, ble o ti'n...
Ble o'n i just now?
Ond ble mae'r arwy...
Biff fi'n gofyn.
Melyn.
Biff fi'n gofyn am, way out neu record player.
Mynd lle mae fe'n dangos ti ffordd i mynd lan fyna.
Iawn.
Can you help me?
A wedyn gwas i sgwar.
O, fi'n deall.
So wedyn, mae'r boi arall yn gallu dod a dringo fe.
Fi'n deall, ie.
Money won't help you here.
So ti'n gwerthstraffu amser dy be. Ti angen mynd i fe.
I think you'll find a way to get his attention somehow.
Fe'n mynd i creu cadr bach i hynny. Cadr anweladwy.
Mae'n squat on.
Ydw.
Leg day, then.
Beth mae'n fo? Lawr fan hyn?
Ie, i'r dde.
Ie, i'r dde, just rhwng fan hyn. Neu lle chwifio? Ei!
O, dal dwylo.
You, what are you doing?
Nothing. What's the problem?
I got you a new broom. Come here.
Come in.
Sorry,
Now
ni'n
get back
gwylio
to
hwnna.
work.
Dyna fi, mae'n eitha diddorol. O, ie, mae'n rhaid. O, a mae'n rhaid i wneud rhywbeth.
She said...
Got it. Time to take back. Ah, shit. Guards looking this way.
Hey!
Garrett. Ti'n distracted with Garrett.
Dropping down on swamp.
So, I mean...
Sy'n tynnu solo o god. Yn y corner.
Ah, God damn it.
So,
Trwy eich screen.
Dyna fo.
Ti angen mynd i'r peth nawr.
Ble mae...
Swabo. O, dau. Beth ti angen gwneud?
Fi ddim yn credu ti angen neud hwnna.
No.
Both gave him yard work simulator.
Ti angen rhyw ffordd siarad neu...
Gyda y guard yn dweud.
Hey! What are you doing up there?
Oh, sorry, guys.
Oh!
Dwi'n wedi cael y cadar.
Rwy'n fi'n just fel... Come on, Stephen.
No, dwi'n
Pico allan, ti'n bach. O, rwy'n dal am hwnna.
Ti angen siarad
Gyda fe, really, ne?
Ie, fo.
Ie.
Ie. Dyna ti, nawr ti allu symud.
You're telling me this uniform is making me sweat like a pancake.
Just sucking on it.
Some beers.
Get some beers.
What?
You know, some nice cold beers. That'll cool us down and make the days go by faster.
Yeah, that's true.
So, you gonna get us some beers?
Think this is a restaurant? Get back to work.
Find a way back out again. Shit is smart. Leo, can you help me out?
O, mynd i'r drws.
Ie.
Ti ddim eisiau mynd yn erbyn y drefn fyna, just ni wedi cael ei ddweud i brysio. Gwych.
Leo! Jack!
Just gonna give it to Fred.
Come back! Come back!
Rose! But Rose.
Nice.
Oh.
Nice.
Woohoo!
Goodbye, lady.
Oh. Sorry, Stephen, mae allu di basio fan hyn.
Ni'n swapio nawr, Stephen.
Ie, ti'n moyn... Fyna.
Mae'n ymol am o'r
O'n i'n credu oedd o'n i fi. Sorry, Thomas. Sorry. Oh, na.
Be?
Sorry.
Iawn.
Sorry, oedd yn credu oedd yr un fanna yn un fi. So nes i cael e.
Ar y toi diod y fi.
Sorry. Nes i gofyn i Stephen yn eich mynd.
Ydw i'n iawn i gael Stephen?
Ia. Wel, mae'n ddwy bach. Ia, naturally.
So, Stephen?
Ia.
Ni wedi cael ei tafu mewn. Syniad yw, fi yw'r lookout. Ti angen... Ti o fel Shawshank, ond yn lle poster, mae fe'n holl fel tŷ bach, cyflawn. So dyna'r syniad.
Ond mae fel mewn train spot yn pum lawr y tŷ bach.
Yn union. Ond na ddim mynd lawr y tŷ bach.
Ia.
Wel, oce.
No.
Ti angen neud stuff nawr.
Yeah, go to sleep.
Hang on, ble mae'r pibell?
Na, stop. So, ni angen neud hyn fel amseru. So, fi'n cadw golwg mas i ti. Fi angen dweud wrth y ti. So, ti'n gallu neud e. Oce.
Ei.
So, na I cadw lookout, achos yna un chi'n gallu neud. So, ti'n iawn nawr. Mynd amdani. Pa un wyt ti? Ti yma na.
Fini, ei. No, Leo.
Okay, roi poth nôl. Cancel. Kill. O na, fi gyda distracted.
What? I'm freezing. Could I have some extra sheets?
No, it's not gonna happen.
Okay, no, cancel. Nice.
Do you mind I'm pooping? Hello.
Stop busting my balls, man. I'm not doing anything.
Vampire drill.
Nawr. Mas yna'n horrible.
Oh, sorry, I'm siarad.
Go on, ti angen neud beth mae'n gofyn ti'n neud. A gwas i sgwar wedyn.
Dwi'n wastad neud beth mae pobl yn gael fi'n neud.
Okay.
Dyna pan ti'n mor boblogaeth. A mae pawb yn parchu fi.
Okay, fair enough.
Yes.
Tapio. Ti angen really tapio, achos mae'n mynd i dod cymro hir. Fel, you know, yn ffyrnig. Tapio ffyrnig.
Tapio ffyrnig.
Pwy ffyrnig nawr? Oh, sorry. Nes i ddim. O'n i'n edrych ar screen ti bod yn dig, bai fi o hwnna.
Ie, dyna beth
Yr unig job o'r rhaid i wneud, a ni nes i ddim wneud e. Oce. Wel, o leia ti wedi cael rhan o fe.
Diolch.
Ie.
Fi ddim yn credu ti angen.
Ie, sy'n ei laf yna.
Ie.
Diolch.
Sorry. Cancel. O na, distracta, fi gallu distracta ti. It's fine, na I siarad
What?
Os fi ddim yn ateb ma na limit, so na I aros tan y diwedd a wedyn.
I'm freezing. Could I have some extra?
No, it's not gonna happen.
Cancel. Put yna'n agor.
Hey! Get the letter, man!
No. Gyfym.
Siw byd nhw'n clywed y...
Ie, na, ni ddim.
O, wel, maen nhw'n to. Gardd byddar.
Okay, fair. Gyfym, tap!
Dwi'n bloody tapo!
Okay. Ting... I thought it was a Moana reference. You're welcome.
Off of fi o grwt o'r cawod, ti'n
Ond fi gallu siarad gyda fe cyn anyway, so...
Mae'n dod o'r ochr arall, ie.
Na, fanna. Siarad o fe. Come on.
Fel ddim yn clywed.
Yeah?
Is tomorrow a visiting day?
No.
Paid roi fi do, achos mae'r dyn yna.
Yeah, go to sleep.
Na ddim do, paid.
Hello, gad.
Na falle bydd angen ti.
Ti'n edrych ar y ffle ag ower.
Leave me alone.
Leave me alone. Okay.
Good mum.
Marad, go.
Ie, no.
Be ti'n neud?
Look.
Roi fi'r tŵl, tŵl? Na. Gwasgar. So, ie, fanna.
Ie.
Oh my god. Diolch beth. Right. Nawr ti yw'r lookout, okay?
Ni'n gallu dadoi na.
Dweud y fi os maen nhw'n dod neu beidio. Ochr arall.
Dwi'n yn dod.
Ond ti'n gallu siarad â'i fe am dipyn. O na, ti'n methu achos...
Haid!
Roch ar arall.
Fi'n agor,
ie.
Hello. Just edrych mewn.
Hello, Gafna.
Siarad i fe ddo. Mae'n mynd i...
I don't want to sleep. Just leave me alone.
Cancel. Oh!
Diolch.
Oh, no.
Dwi'n talu sylwyd fi.
Say what? Gaf fi gwybod beth sy'n digwydd fan hyn achos fi ddim yn gwybod. Ydy yn dig? Ydy yn ffain?
Sa'n siŵr.
Stephen!
I want to ask a question. What
Ie, ond... Os ma fe'n...
How much do you make an hour as a guard?
As guard.
More than you make me. I've got a bet.
You
It's a dog world in the prison!
Oh god.
Oh, that... Oh, okay. You gotta survive, man.
Okay, just chill, look out now, yeah?
My dad! Cancel. Go. You gotta do what you can to survive, man!
Yeah, ydy wedi pasio? Ydy wedi...
No, man! My dad, no, man!
Okay.
No, but they were okay. Oh, cancel.
Oh my gosh, oedd yna'n agos. Oh, ti'n dweud fi, please?
Ewch. Do a bit of do. Parhawch. Tickety-tap. No.
Come on.
The garden grew loose. Oh, my garden door. Byddai'n tynnu ei sylw. Byddaf yn tynnu ei sylw.
Hey, guard. What do you want? My bed's broken. What do you want me to do about it? I want you to fix it. Not my problem. Go to sleep. You go to sleep.
You shave your mustache.
Yeah, to?
Cer.
Beth am un arall?
Cer. Wee.
Nice.
Ooh la la.
Bad.
Hey, Leo.
Yeah.
I'm done.
All right.
Let's
wait till the lights go out.
Nice.
Nice.
Lights out!
Let's hope.
Ready?
Yeah.
Mor swnllid.
Ydy, ti'n methu cael rhywbeth mwy
Os
swnllid
ti
na.
eisiau, mae'n rhaid siarad.
Go on te, rhan amser.
Mae'n rhaid siarad. Os ti eisiau. Dweud pethau.
Yn credu, mae'r twll yma'n lle dda i gorffen y fideo yma.
Cyfrinach.
So dwi'n mae'n fel o cwp o'r tŷ bach yn actually mynd te.
Dyna'r bwyd. Dyna'r bwyd ti.
Nice.
Gweld. Ble ti'n edrych, Vincent? Go. Na, mae'n ffynnu.
Please.
O, fan.
O, diolch. Pobl sy'n gwylio. Fans.
Fan fawr.
Wee! O. So dwi'n rhedeg. Dwi'n fi rhedeg.
Mae'n help tree.
Beth?
No, Leo, fi angen help.
O, ti'n nawdd gwneud loads o pull-ups.
Os ni'n rhoi hwn yn y fan, we can stop it then.
Finally, something to stop the fan.
Finally. Okay. What that?
Quickly, go through.
Oh.
Hold it. God damn it.
Damn.
You see a way to shut down the fan?
So mae hwn lawr I ti nawr.
I can't do this alone.
Hwna, dim hwnna then.
I can't do
Dwi'n
this.
mor glyfar.
Rwy'n gallu
Dwi'n
stopio.
mor glyfar.
A dyna ni, mae rhywbeth yna, so. Ie, dyna ti. Lag.
Alright, shut down. Come on through.
Come on down. Ooh. Booga booga booga!
Os o dau ni gorfod...
Ti'n ymuno mewn?
Ie, a dau ni'n mynd i gwasgu hwn nawr. Ti'n gwasgu hwn?
Sgwar? Ti'n le?
Oce, nawr ni'n gorfod yna fan am i.
Ar ôl y fideo?
Ar ôl y fideo.
Ar ôl y ffilm?
Ie, mae rhaid ni weld beth sy'n digwydd.
Ie.
It's a long way down.
Dwi'n eisiau weithio.
Neidio.
Yeah.
We're gonna need some support down here. Yeah, we do.
Nature.
Hold on.
Gonna wait for him.
Check this out. What are you thinking?
I'm thinking sheets.
All right, let me hear it.
Okay, we need to find a way into this room. Once we do that, we can get the sheets in here.
Sounds easy enough.
Problem is, they don't allow roommates in there.
You think we can sneak in somehow?
Yeah, but we're gonna need to get a hold of a laundry cart. Once we have the cart, one of us has to hide in it.
Then what?
That's sitcom.
The gargoyles, and then bring it to the back room.
What do you mean you're gonna inspect?
Don't worry about it, they don't look too hard. As long as we're covered in some sheets, we should be fine.
Okay.
Felly dyna oedd rhan 1 A Way Out. A ni wedi cyrraedd y lle lle maen nhw'n golchi'r dillad. A byddwn ni'n... Nawn ni'n gorffen wneud y rhan nesa. Tro nesa. So tan tro nesa.
Tan tro nesa.
Ha.
Hwyl.
For now.